In this video we're going to take a look at the Inferno challenge on HackTheBox. It's an easy miscellaneous challenge and the description says find the flag. So let's download the files. You see we've got this inferno.txt. Let's take a copy of it, put it in our local directory. So we'll print the file out first of all, and it looks like it's base64 encoded, so let's do base64-d Inferno, and it doesn't print out any meaningful plain text anyway. We could, well, let's save this to decoded anyway, and let's have a look. There wasn't much in the description, but the last couple of Misc challenges have been related to like esoteric programming languages. For example, the art one that we just did there. I'm gonna have a look. Esoteric programming. We also had the brain one as well. Brainfuck. Esoteric programming languages. So we have brainfuck. We also did Piet. So what else do we have here? Allows the instruction pointer to roam in multiple directions through the code. For example, this displays hello world. Okay, by reversing a string. And it uses these characters. Let's see. Let's see what we have in our decoded again there. Do we have a prevalence of these characters? Wouldn't say so. We do certainly have these characters in there, but I wouldn't say there's not really a prevalence of much there though. It's not brainfuck. We already did that one. It clearly doesn't look like that. Lol code doesn't look like it. Fractran positive fractions doesn't look like that either. Golf scripts consists of a list of items. Malbolge. Oh, what's Dante's Inferno? That's sounding like it relates to our hint. The eighth circle of hell. Let's have a look. Malbolge is a public domain esoteric programming language invented by Bell Olmsted in 1998, named after the eighth circle of hell in Dante's Inferno. The Malbolge. Okay. So how does it work? Here's a hello world program with both words capitalized. It will display hello world with both words capitalized and exclamation mark at the end. Alright, okay. Yeah, there's no way to decipher the text easily there. So, okay. Interpreter. Malbolge interpreter. See if we can find one online. So it looks like we do have a couple of options available. We've got this tutorials point and we've got a Polish one here. Do we need to translate? It doesn't look like it. Oh, sorry, that's the first one. No, we don't either. So let's grab our string. We can paste that in and run program, and there's our flag. Awesome. Submit a flag. I'm gonna say that was pretty easy, but I suppose it depends if you've done the last challenge. So if you've not done the other challenges, don't know to look for esoteric programming languages, then it's only after seeing the brainfuck and the Piet that I thought to check there. So yeah, alright. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks.